Pronunciation isn't matter. Pronunciation isn't big matter, but a small matter maybe. Let's think about native speakers. Then I speak Korean as a first language. Now let's think about Korean people who speak Korean naturally from birth to until die, maybe. Yes. We are supposed to speak Korean. Actually, we speak Korean in Korea mostly. Let's think about pronunciation isn't matter. I don't think so. Pronunciation is matter. I don't think so. Pronunciation is not a matter because um, we when we speak Korean, most of people think I have a good pronunciation. Most of people might not think I have a good pronunciation, but I don't care about the pronunciation because it doesn't matter when we communicate each other. Seemingly, um, when we live together and then we go market or work or in school, and then most of people can understand what they are talking. But when we carefully listen to other people or look into their pronunciations, it's just like the voice is totally different, just like face or fingerprint. So, and then voice is unique each person. Voice is unique each person. So, it's quite delicate matter. So many people, so many have so many voice, but the voice, but the pronunciation is standard. People share the pronunciation in their language society. The sound of our sound is just like share, and then the word or the phrase, sentences, or speak past in conversation or the story. We figure it out spoken language or written languages. We're listening to other people. So we speak as other people do from birth to the death or from the child to the old man, then we talk. But our voice is changed from young boys have a clear sound. The grown up have a husky sound, or and then old man the sound is might be weaker, mumbled, and then it doesn't matter what they speak, and then pronunciation isn't a matter in first language. Now think about learning foreign languages. Is it pronunciation matter? When we go to the second languages, What do you mean second languages? Not a foreign languages, but the second languages. The second language means can we communicate with the languages? It means we can listen. At least we know about lots of vocabulary. We already build the vocabulary. Basically, high frequent word or defining word, topic words, and then the what we are interested in. And we are still building, but already built the vocabulary. We can make sentence. We know about the grammar. We can compare two languages. We communicate with other people by listening well, speaking better. So, um, we are on our way to learn foreign language to second language. But just like native speaker, in the end, when we reach the top of the mountain, top of the languages, then we cross over the matter of pronunciation. So let's climb up the top of the mountain. After then, we don't have to get stress about how to pronounce well. Then pronunciation isn't a matter. Just to keep doing and listening, and then don't make stressful. Don't make yourself stressful in improving pronunciation. The pronunciation is the enjoyment when you reach the top of the mountain, when you reach the top of the languages. It means you can see the view of the top of the mountains. Maybe I think to see the view of the top of the mountain means you can clearly listening to native speakers, and then you can remember all the things like as you see, as you believe, as you know, just you listen, you remember. Then in the end, you can remember not only content, but also the sound, unique pronunciation in their community. By doing that, you can try to speak the languages as they speak. So you can do that. So in the end, you realize that the pronunciation isn't a matter when you learn the language as a second language. Just keep doing, just like a child or some. It takes time. As far as we climb up the mountain on the cable car, we should step by step climb up the mountain until we reach the top of the mountain. So just like a turtle in the race of rabbit, don't stop, keep going. Now I have a story. Yeah. Mm. Sometimes I think about what I'm doing, then I make some contents in English. Make contents of why pronunciation isn't a matter after proof reading it. I can quickly I can use AI to create some idea. Simply AI give me some quickly. The content's wonderful. It's a fingertip producing about something. Translating to Korean and Vietnamese above. Translating to Korean and Vietnamese above. Low is a carefully calculated and very English content based on your original text. I kept your core idea metaphor, voice, fingerprint, mountain, message about made loaded prayer, English natural, and the flow suitable for broad lecture language learning content. Why pronunciation isn't the most important thing in language learning? Many language learners worry too much about pronunciation. They think pronunciation is everything. But in reality, pronunciation is not a big matter. It is a small matter compared to communication. But think about our first language. I speak Korean as my first language. I have spoken Korean from birth, and I will probably speak it until the day I die. In Korea, people speak Korean naturally every day, at home, in the market, at work, or at school. But do all Koreans have the same pronunciation? Of course not. Some people think my pronunciation is good, some people may think it's not good, but honestly, it doesn't matter. Why? Because we can still understand each other. When we listen carefully to people on Earth, we realize something important. Everyone's voice is different. A voice is like a face or a fingerprint. It's unique. Each person has their own sound, tone, speed, and rhythm. Pronunciation is not a fixed correct sound. It changes depending on the person, the situation, and even ages. Children usually have clear and bright voices. Adults may have deeper or huskier voices. Older people may speak more softly or mumble a little. But communication still works. So if pronunciation is a lot different in our first language, why do we think it must be perfect in a second language? What really matters in a second language? When learning a second language, the real question is not why sound perfect? The real question is can I communicate? If you can listen to others, understand the main idea, use vocabulary you already know, make sentence even simple one, compare your language with other language. When you are already using the language successfully, vocabulary goes step by step. Grammar improve with the use. Listening becomes clearer over time. Speaking becomes smoother naturally. Pronunciation improved automatically through listening and repetition, not through stress. Mountain metaphor. Learning a language is like climbing a mountain. At the bottom, pronunciation feels heavy and stressful. You worry about every sound. But as you climb, you listen more, you understand more, you speak more, you stop being afraid. At the top of a mountain of something changes. You can hear native speakers clearly. You remember sounds naturally. You don't just understand the meaning, you understand the rhythm, emotion, and pronunciation of the community. Only after reaching the top, you realize pronunciation was never the main problem. Final message. Pronunciation is not something to fight with you. It's something to enjoy later. Don't make yourself stressful. Don't stop speaking. Don't wait to be perfect. Just keep listening. Just keep speaking. Just keep climbing step by step. Like working up a mountain instead of taking a cable car. It takes time, effort, and require patience. But if you keep going, one day you will look back and realize pronunciation was never a matter, communication was. Okay, let's see. Yeah.